Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your iPhone screen into grayscale. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. So if you're a colorblind person or you have issues seeing full color, you can now turn your iPhone screen into a grayscale. So let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go into settings. Next you want to scroll down until you see accessibility. Tap on it. Now you want to scroll down until you see display and text size. Now you want to scroll down again until you see color filters. Tap on it. Now here you want to go ahead and enable the color filters. Once you enable that, you'll get this list. Make sure grayscale is selected. Once you do this, your screen will turn into a grayscale screen. You'll see your iPhone screen in grayscale. And there you go, that is how to turn your iPhone screen into grayscale. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.